like I'm talking lion mane. Okay, baby. See, this is my zhuzh right here.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
I am absolutely obsessed with this 4C texture here. So this here is the Curls Queen Water Jerry Curly bundles in 24 inches. I got 3 bundles, no closure. I did actually start to install it myself. Girl, got halfway through that first bundle and I was like, why am I doing this to myself? Way too much work. So I called up my stylist and had her install them for me. So this is some of the footage from that first installation, and you can clearly see the hair was a lot longer then than it is now. And I actually prefer the longer length, but this is still cute. Okay, she's still cute. And yes, I know my hair doesn't look 24 inches, and that's because this is my second time installing the hair. So the first time I got the hair installed was Super Bowl weekend. And then I got it reinstalled like the beginning of May. And the reason why it's shorter is because the first time I made the mistake of not detangling the hair at the nape of my neck. And so it got matted. And you know, with 4C bundles, you can try to detangle them as much as you can, but it's going to take some of the length away, right? And I still have some matted bundles in my hair, all right? Because these bundles are expensive and I wasn't about to buy all 3 all over again. And at first I didn't like it being this short, but it's cute. I like it. It's grown on me. So I'm actually okay with it. I washed it today, so this is a fresh wash day. So I'm gonna run you guys through my wash routine and show you the products that I use so you can have an idea of at least what I do to maintain this hair. Okay.
Usually I don't post.
So full, y'all. I love it. I just wish I can get my leave out to do what it's told.
Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chilling, I GTM, yeah. Didn't want to share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Meant to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold.
And many hours later, once it's fully dry, that's when I really fluff it out. Because when it's still damp, it won't give me the volume that I love. Like, I'm talking lion mane. Okay, baby. The bundles are so full. That's one of the reasons I love this hair, because I wanted a lot of volume. In terms of maintenance, it's 4C hair, so you know wash day is gonna be a thing. Okay, it's gonna be a whole day. Okay, but other than that, the daily maintenance is not too bad. I spritz it with water, add some mousse, and that's it. Every 2 weeks, I fully co-wash and fully detangle every 2 weeks. That's it. Just once a week, you want to make sure you detangle the hair right at the nape of your neck so it doesn't mat like mine did. But yeah, totally obsessed with this hair. The 4C texture is just what blends with my natural hair the best. And my hair is texturized, but it still won't blend with like a 3C 3B. I do want to try the 3C 3B bundles. The 3B Why did I say 3C? I do want to try their 3B, 3C bundles next just to see if it'll be easier to maintain. So if you've tried those, leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts, because even though the maintenance on this hair isn't that bad, it's still a little bit of work, you know, wash day. But yes, ma'am, water Jerry curly bundles are freaking fabulous. Look at all this volume. She's just fabulous, African goddess, all the things, okay? All the things. I really don't want to take it out because I love bundles for the same reason I love crochet hair. I don't have to do anything to my hair. All right, wake up in the morning, zhush it up, and going about my day, okay? Because girl, I'm in my soft life era. I want everything easy. That's all the work I want to have to do. Soft life, baby, that part. If you made it to this part in the video, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Because y'all know I changed the focus of my channel from hair to fashion, but y'all know I'm still gonna be throwing in some hair tutorials. So make sure you subscribe, girl.